A lot of people come in and they have jaw and TMJ pain, and we have an iTero machine, which we can actually scan them. We can see where the wear is on their teeth, and then we can see how much and how long the wear has progressed. And we can recommend a mouth guard, usually something they sleep in at night. And it's pretty easy to make and easy to start using. And most people find relief through having a occlusal guard or mouth guard made. Jaw joint pain can happen through trauma, or it can happen slowly over time. Usually we see the latter, and people slowly start to develop pain. They wake up with soreness in the morning, or they feel like they have to stretch their jaw, or they wake up with headaches because they've been grinding at night. If it's something that's acute and caused by trauma, it's usually easy to fix with over-the-counter pain relievers and maybe a muscle relaxant. And if it's something that's slow and developed over time, it may be that a tooth needs to be adjusted, or that an occlusal guard or mouth guard needs to be fabricated. Usually a mouth guard can be fabricated in just a couple days, and relief can start shortly thereafter.